It's an exciting day. I just put my new car on the road. I'm gonna show you the car. I'm gonna show you around the car and everything. I just got this car. It's a Kia Sportage. I'm gonna show you inside first. What's up, guys? It's Kwani from U-Twins1. I just bought a new car. It's a used car. It has 112,000 miles. I just want to show you guys around the car and show you what it looks like. I feel like this is exciting for me to look back to. That's the reason why me and Shawnee really do videos, is to look back at it, pause, and just reminisce and say, hey, remember that day we bought the game and we got video proof of it. Here's the dashboard here. Now, this is like the basic model of the Kia Sportage LX. Not LX, Kia Sportage Utility. The other models have heated seats, they have push start, and a couple other things. There's another display down here with the heat and everything with the other models, but it was a bit more expensive and I didn't feel like it was worth it. And don't worry, I'm gonna show you outside too. There's the back of the car. Move these seats, get it come up, fold up like that. Mad space in the back. Let me show you the trunk. Get it. How much room in the trunk, man. Yeah, it's my old car, Santa Fe. You know, it was my grandmother's car here, and I love this car. But it's time for an upgrade, man. It was time for an upgrade. Get a wheel. Let me see if it's open. This is my old car, 03 Santa Fe. You know, it was still holding up. It's really reliable, but you know, you outgrow certain things, and it was time for another upgrade. So I got this the other day. Here's what the front looks like. Kia Sportage. I ain't stupid. I ain't put my license plate on YouTube. It ain't happening. Sorry, bro. Let's get back in. It's 100,000 miles on it, but it ain't bad. There's no gas in it. That's what it looks like. So then they had another model with push start, but that was a bit more expensive. I didn't think it was worth it, and I didn't want to get too fancy because this is going to be a car I keep forever. So, but it's a way better car than what I had. You see the window was messed up and all that. AC works. That's most important when you're buying a used car. You want that AC to work, because when it's summertime, especially me, because me and my brother, we ball in the summer. You want to come back in your car and you want it to have some AC. You don't want to be in the heat. So that was really important for me, just getting that AC. It's my first official drive in the car. There you go. I put a little gas in it. Shouldn't be vlogging and driving in the first place, but I got show you all. It's driving pretty damn good too. Yeah, I love it. I love it. All right, let me put this camera down before I get pulled over. Test driving the car. I really like how the car is. I'm smiling because I just picked up. What's good? I mean, I'm looking a little rough. How do you like the car though?
It's beautiful.
Oh shit.
She got a lot of space.
Edit it so you can say what you want.
Yo, the front is like a big screen TV.
Front of what?
This car, the windshield.
Yeah, you want to go out and look at it? Alright, get out so show the car. It's under that. It don't beep. It just lights up when you unlock it. See, that's it. That's it. And then, see, that lights up.
That shit clean, man.
I just got some scratches on it, like this here.
But Stephen said I got scratches back there too.
Stephen said I could back there.
Back in my.
Stephen said I can get this all fixed up. I'll get it detailed in the front. Like this will come off this, right? He said I could get all that. This is minor stuff because for the price. He said the price was good too. But that's the car. This video is gonna be attached with the Kanye West Yeezy unboxing. I just want to do a vlog or vlog my car. Or just show my car and attach it with the unboxing. I didn't want to just do the unboxing. Like I said, we're trying to expand our brand. What's up, guys? Sorry for the raspy voice. I just woke up, but As soon as I woke up, I got this package. I'm pretty sure it's my Yeezy, so I'm about to do unboxing for you guys. Sorry for the low light. Don't mind the crib. I don't have a baby. But all I did was open the box. I'm about to take a shot. Okay, I got it. The box is on the floor, but I got it. Just kick that out the way. I'm actually gonna take it out, look at it, review it, and put it on my feet and give you an on-foot review. So. Halfway out. Yeezy Boost 700. Let's get it to focus. There you go. It's in the half. I'm just in like a random room. Just doing this unboxing. You already see these are the newest Yeezys that released on the 8th of March. Look at that. These are really nice. Look at the camera's focusing. Alright, that's much better. Let's take a look at the shoes, both of them out of the box. Look at it. Yeezy Boost 700. It was really nice. My favorite part is the orange hair. I really like how these look. Alright, I'm gonna put these on my feet and see how they look. Alright, so this is how they look on my feet. I really like how they look. I really like how they look. These go for $300. It's my first pair of Yeezys. I'm on the rug, I ain't gonna get no dirt in the bottom of them, so I'll just put this here. Yeah. They're not really basketball shoes. These are just for like, maybe working out or going out, but I'm really use them for like going out. Like I said, these were $300. I literally got like one of the last pairs of these. So yeah, that was the unboxing of the Yeezy Boost. It's my first pair of Yeezys. They went for $300. I think it was worth it. They're still on my feet. If you couldn't hear me when they was on my feet, only reason I have this here, the rug, is to get no dirt on them. I don't want any dirt on them for right now. $300, I don't want no dirt on this shit. I really like this color here. They really go good with these great sweats too. I think I'm gonna rock them today. Hope you enjoyed the vlog plus the unboxing. Until next time, we have Retail's One. See you now.